This is a 1970 Dodge Coronet Super B. Interesting car with an interesting history. It was originally used in the drag strip and has a 383 engine installed from the factory, 383 Magnum. Notice the induction hood there. But because it was used on the drag strip, the 383 was pulled out and a 440 was installed. And then, because of the drag strip situation, the engine, I guess, blew up and the original 383 was put back in the car, and that's what you see today. So it now is back to factory stock. And here's the Moroni sticker, and you'll notice it includes the 383 Magnum there on the sticker. So it's had a hard life, I guess, on the drag strip, but you'd never know it today. Looks excellent. Interior is looks brand new. Notice the headrests on the seats. A fairly new requirement for cars back in that time. Wood tone dash and automatic transmission with the selector on the column. Twin air scoops there. And the Bumblebee identification here on the rear quarter. This 1970 model had quite a different grille from previous Coronets. Twin Bumblebee wings it was supposed to look like, but I don't think it was too successful. The sales dropped this year. And of course the new styling was coming out the following year, 1971. It's a beautiful car, very nice restoration. I'm glad it was saved.